Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Charan. Let's continue the JavaScript tutorial series. Now in this video tutorial, I will explain how to find the maximum and minimum values from an array of a list in a JavaScript. So let's start the tutorial. Here we got the final output of our application. When I click the button control, notice here we got the array of list we have given. This is the random numbers we have given. From these numbers, I want to find what is the maximum number here, 1000, and minimum number is 0, using a JavaScript.
If you are a first time visitor to my channel, please subscribe to get the latest updates.
For this video tutorial, I am using Visual Studio Code, and here we got the Visual Studio Code. Let's open one new text file. And the text file, I am selecting the language is the HTML. Now after I convert this text file to an HTML file, now notice here the background color is the dark black color here, which I want to change this into a white color. So for that, go to view in the click command palette, preferences color theme. If you don't find, type here color theme, you will get this one, color theme. Like Visual Studio. Now we got the white background color instead of black, displayed white color, so we can see the code clearly. Now the code is, first I am adding HTML, after that header section. In the header section we will add our JavaScript, then the body which displays the output, the HTML tags on the browser. Now here in the body I am adding center h1 tag. How to find the max and minimum values from an arrays using JavaScript. H3 code JavaScript. Let's add the JavaScript tutorials, and after that I am adding one horizontal line. Now after the horizontal line, I am adding one button control. So when a user clicks the button control, I want to display here. I am adding one more horizontal line here. First h2 tag. Now in this h2 tag, I want to display all the arrays of list, and the second h2 tag, I want to display the maximum value from the list of arrays we will define. After that, the last one, I want to display the minimum values from the array of list, the maximum and minimum values, and the top h2 is for to display all the arrays of list. Now in the header section, let's write the coding part. The coding part is, we require one script tag. Script type is equals to text /JavaScript. Let's close the script tag. After that, I am declaring one variable here, array list. Let's add the arrays values here. Arrays values is equals to, in the array we will add square brackets 89, 10, 28, 56, 1000, 9, 1, 0, 34. Just for the demo purpose, I have added only a few numbers here which contain some random numbers. From 1000 is the maximum and minimum value is 0, which I am expecting the maximum value is 1000 and minimum value is 0 from this array of list. So now the coding part is, we need to require one function to get max and minimum values. Let's add the colon to close the function. Then the first thing is, I want to display all the arrays of list in this first h2 tag. So here in the h2 id is equals to get all. Get all is the id. So here get all dot inner dot html. HTML is capital is equals to total array list. The array list is plus, what is the array list? This is the array values I am adding here, array values. That's it. Now we need to add this get max function here on click. When I click on click, get max minimum function. That's it. Now let's check the output. Before that, we need to save this file. Save as. I'm saving this file on the desktop, JavaScript tutorials. Here I'm adding get max minimum. The extension is the HTML tag. Let's save this file. After save this file, to run this application, go to run, start debugging. Click that one. And here we got the output of our application. Oops, here we require the button value. Button value here is, let's add here click. Now again, save this file, Ctrl S. After save this file, switch over to our Chrome. I'm reloading the browser. And here we got the click label name for this button control. When I click, notice here we got all the numbers, arrays of list which we have added, 89, 10, 20. Now I want to find the maximum value from this list, which is 1000 I'm expecting, and minimum value, which is 0. So again, switch over to the code, stop the application, and close this debug console. Now here we'll add id is equals to max value, and this one id is equals to minimum value. Now we need to add this min value here. Now I'm declaring one variable, maximum value. Max value from array is equals to Math.max method. I'm adding 3 dots here. 3 dots is which is nothing. This operator is called, it's a spread operator which collects the array of list of items. And for that we will use 3 dots, and I'm adding these array values here, arrays values. After that, now we got the maximum value in this variable. So that variable we need to link with this h2 with the help of id of the h2, max value. We need to add this id here, then inner.html is equals to the maximum value. The max value is this one, max value from array. Now the same thing, let's copy this one. Instead of max value, I'm adding minimum value from array. This is the minimum value. And here also we need to add this id here, minimum value, inner.html. The minimum value is this variable, minimum value from array. That's it, we done the coding part. Now let's check the output of our application. Go to run, start debugging. And here we got the final output of our application. When I click the button control, oops, here we got only array list. It's not displaying maximum and minimum values. Let's find out what went wrong. math dot, it's not capital, it's small max and small m, small minimum values. Let's save this file. Again, switch over to our Chrome. Now let's check the final output of our application. I'm reloading the browser. Here we got the final output of our application. When I click the button control, notice here we got the array of list we have given. This is the random numbers we have given. From these numbers, I want to find what is the maximum number here, 1000, and minimum number is 0, using a JavaScript. That's it. In this video tutorial, I have explained how to find the maximum and minimum values from an array using a JavaScript. Thanks for watching this video tutorial. Please subscribe, share, and leave your valuable comment. We'll catch you in my next video tutorial.